Ganyan naman ang lineup mo kasama.
Totoo na.
Tapos ganyan pa ang reinforcement mo. But, you know, balik tayo doon sa sinasabi mo.
Yun, doon sa sinabi mo yun, makikita mo, mahilig din naman siya, di ba, sa ganung klaseng mga adjustments. So, I think, more than those two games, ako, ine-expect ko, marami siya. Tapos lahat naman ng palo binibigay nga sa open, lahat ng sets, di ba? So, yan, kailangan yung credibility ng middle blockers and hitters mo nandun in this match. So, umpisa.
Baga, umakyat yung porsyento na lumabas na off the block. Jaisen was there. That's another thing that's crucial for POC today. Other than yung mga off the block plays yan, it's their coverage mostly.
Right. And
it is 5-4 for Pocari. The finals MVP ng ating open conference.
floor defense for BOC.
Pablo sa gitna, puts it away.
But yun na nga yung floor defense nila, panay depensa ang nangyari sa BOC. Hindi na sila nakapag-opensa o hindi na sila nakapag-atake.
Umabaw, able to dig it up. Balik kay Bree. And what a smart move by Caxits.
Exacto no? Where she really wanted to put that ball. Alam mo, hindi rin kasi madali yan. Yung ginagawa nila, yung placement shot. Materialize dito sa side ng Lady Warriors.
Daming bala.
Kahit saan mo kasi dalhin Actually, hindi mga nagpa-back row attack Hindi ba na-scope na yung puntahan yun
Excited yan. But this is an exciting set. And Mackie says, I want the set to be over. I want the series to be over. Well, one set down. What other adjustments can they make? Does Coach Sherwin have enough? Fight sigurado din. Naghahanap nga siya ng katulong. And sometimes superstars do that. Mostly, you want your teammates to really get their confidence first. As we see Caxit, 5 serving 11. Sa gitna, Caxits puts it away.
And even the imports, you can see them all pumped up, diba? Even from the start. Na-surprise talaga.
But they make a lot of noise on the court. Myla Pablo, nag-iingay mo. At 10 na ang abante courtesy of that drop shot from the former NU standout. But here, cross court, huli ni Caxits. Maki, butas sa likod.
Alam mo, kanina pa yan, napansin ko talaga yung coverage nila. Very kurang coverage na.
What improvement for these former NU Lady Bulldogs. And that is set number 2. Ang komunidad ng Pocari Sweat.
President of Pocari Sweat. Welcome, sir.
Baka kayo nang iniiwasan ni DJ Jan. Yun na nga I mean, they're very focused, firing at all cylinders. Ayan
See, another save there.
Walang namamatay na bola.
Oh, that's going to be a, overreaching violation. Sabi mo, gusto niya na tapusin. Mukha kang gano'n.
Nagmamadali.
Kuha na ng puntos ng BOC ang serve na yan.
Service points. Maki says, tama na yan.
Maki naman
Tama na raw yan.
Again.
Itong Pocari.
Yeah, na-save pa rin yung bolang yun.
Kutay Song.
There you
Gets
go.
the point.
Gets it on a second try. Yan yung patience na kanina sinasabi ko. Kailangan wag silang ma-frustrate.
From the right, Mackie.
And tayo ulit. Tayo, 12 all. Champion. Vargas puts it away.
That's right. Vargas with a powerful hit.
Here's the problem now. You're giving confidence to BOC.
Yeah.
Jaisen.
There you go.
Good reaction by Song.
Ang tindi lang nagpa-makeup.
Ready for his close-up. Vargas extends game number. Dionas today, Monday 4 to 6 and 6 to 8. Pero po, panoorin nyo na ng live.
Yes, I'm sure may audience participation yan.
Meron
sila kanina.
Yun ang naging factor. Nice, this guy.
Nasyon.
Yan na nagagawa ng kumpiyansa ngayon. Nagkakaroon pa ng kumpiyansa. Talinado muli. Kumabaw muli. Cross-court attack from Mitch.
And Mitch Gumaba once again scoring from a cross-court hit.
Mitch muli. Doon na naman sa pwesto na yun.
At talagang may hirap na kasama. Sabi niya, bantayan yung...
1-2 play. Sa likod, Cotayson. That's it.
That's right.
It's a spot.
Som once again.
I think
cross.
Viera-
Wala bang Boom Gonzalez?
Wala. Sa
Wala.
wakas.
Hindi,
Ah,
nasa 11. Tingnan mo.
ibang laban yun eh. Ibang laban yun.
Oh my!
Tabla tayo.
Yatay.
Sabihan ko lang ha. SPL on ABS-CBN. Mabilis na set.
There you
Ang
go.
bilis ng set.
Yun ang kailangan talaga nila para paangat pa lang yung blockers.
Block.
Oo.
Yung first ball. Pilipinas.
Serving.
Valdez with the reception error. And Pocari Sweat wins it.
Oh, what an ending to this match. And Pocari,
Bring home the gold.
back-to-back ba?
25.
And they open conference in this one.
Woo!
Congratulations.
But
to
what a
our
game,
ladies
partner.
warriors.
Grabe ng laro to.
What a game.
For taking
Hanggang
this
dulo.
match and
First of all,
championship in
Pocari
4
Sweat
sets.
proved that they're
25 to
champions.
40.
Uh-huh.
Secondly, POC proved that they were worthy to be in the finals with that showing in sets number
In a
3
short
and 4.
while, we will
Mosey.
have the
Grabe, partner,
awarding
itong laro to.
ceremonies.
After
Stay with
that
us,
match
folks.
number 1, na straight sets na ipanalo ng Pocari. Ito, pinalagad sila ng BOC in the second match. And it ended this way. Liza Valdez with an error.
Their star player and one of
Oh.
their best receivers, ha? Shaky's shake and play of the set is the service ace of Shishi Dadang. Di mo na masisi. She's done everything
Yeah.
for them. But this is
Exactly.
meant for Pocari Sweat. The Lady Warriors celebrate a championship. And we will be right back with the awarding ceremonies dito sa loob ng Phil Sports Arena.